Hi guys, just a quick notice before you start watching this video. In this video I use two objects called bone and wind. These are simply two game objects with audio source attached to them. Now the reason for that is pretty simple. With these two objects we're going to be implementing the sound, the wind sound when we're falling and the hurt sound when we land. Now the thing is, in the previous tutorial before this one, I don't think I added the wind and bone object. If I did, I'm sorry about that, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to mention it. All you gotta do is go to game object, create empty, make an empty game object, place one next to his face, the character's face, and the other one on the torso. The one on the torso, call that bone. The one on the face, call that wind. Drag both into the camera and attach two audio source to them, so one on each, and the rest it's pretty much simple. You'll see me doing it in the actual tutorial, but I just want to let you know so you won't get confused. And enjoy, guys. Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial series. In the last tutorial I showed you guys how to implement fall damage into your FPS controller script, and also how to display a GUI onto the screen when you're hurt. Now we combined both of those, and what was missing is the sound effects. So what I mean by that is, when you're falling down from a greater distance, I want a wind sound effect to start surrounding you, so making you feel that you're falling down. And to do that, I will play the following sound effect. Okay, and when we hit the ground, I'm going to be playing bones being crushed. Okay, and when you hit the ground as well, I'm also going to be playing the hurt sound, which is this. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that today. So let's go into our script again. Remember, that's your FPS input script, that's the one. And we're going to be first of all defining three variables. Var hurt sound. I'm going to type audio clip. Alright. Copy that. Paste it underneath this two more times and in the names. Second one's going to be bone break. And the last one, you guessed it, is going to be wind. Not the wind you're thinking of. Wind sound. Alright, now let's start creating the three functions needed. Let me just minimize the gravel sound effect stuff out of the way. Okay, so the first one will be function. What happened there? Okay, weird. That's for that. That's for that. Alright, I don't know why that happened. Okay. Function. Open bracket, close bracket. Open bracket. Open curly brace and close curly brace. Right, copy that once. Paste it underneath that one and that one. So you're left with three new functions. First one's going to be called hurt sound func, short for function. The second one's going to be called bone break func, and the last one's going to be called wind sound func. Alright, that's the three out of the way. So let's start with the first one. Hurt sound. We want to say audio. Okay, that's weird. Sometimes it doesn't even show up, that's strange. Alright, audio dot clip. It's going to be equals to the hurt sound effect clip, so that's what did I call it? Hurt sound or hurt audio? Hurt sound, yeah. I'm sure it was in a capital as well. Just copy and paste it down there. Okay, that one's going to be in there. Semicolon. And underneath we're going to say audio dot play, open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. Save that. Now for the break bone function, we're going to say game object dot. Why is monodevelop not showing the list anymore? Let me just save this. Let me reopen this. Right. That's because that was missing. Alright. Yeah. Dot find, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace. What am I doing? I lost myself. Sorry. Open bracket, close bracket, speech marks. The first one we're going to look for is bone. Then we're going to set the audio for it. Dot clip equals bone break, like that. I'll explain what this does when I write them down afterwards. Then we're going to say game object dot find, open bracket, close bracket, put your speech marks in there, and bone dot audio dot play, open bracket, close bracket, and semicolon. So that's the bone one done. Now the last one, the wind one. We're going to say game object dot find, open bracket, close bracket, speech marks, wind dot audio dot clip equals wind sound. Then we're going to say game object. I'll copy the first half, save me from typing it again, paste it there. Dot audio dot play one shot this time, open bracket, close bracket, closing semicolon, and inside the brackets put the variable sound. Put the variable for the wind sound. So wind sound.